Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 3rd grade operations and algebraic thinking. Represents and solve problems involving in multiplication and division. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1, broken down into 2 parts. Part 1. A football coach is running practice with 30 players. He divides the team by placing an equal number in each group. He places a ball to each group of players. How many players are there in each group? Please underline the correct answer below, and you'll notice we have 6 footballs. Part 2. The Lassie Dog Hotel has a playground for dogs that are staying at the kennel. If there are 18 dogs eating out of the bowls in equal numbers, how many dogs at each bowl? You'll notice that we have 6 bowls. Again, underline the correct answer below. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay. Here we have 30 players. 30 divided by 60 is 5. 5 times 30 is 60. Let's look at the doghouse. There are 18 dogs and we have 6. 3 times 6 is 18. If your answers match ours, that is fantastic. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard for the next problem while you erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 2, broken down into 2 parts. Let me read the first one to you. At a local carnival, there is a water balloon toss. The balloons are placed in equal numbers of buckets. If there are 39 water balloons, how many balloons are placed in each bucket? Answers below. Please underline the correct answer. Part 2. Connie is slicing the tomatoes below for lunch for her friends. She slices each tomato into 8 slices. Each person receives 6 tomato slices to eat. How many friends are eating lunch? Again, you have the correct answer below. Please pick up a pen to solve these 2 problems. There are 39 water balloons. If you divide it up by 3, your answer should be 13. Let's click over here and see if we can solve this problem. We have 3 tomatoes. Each one is divided up into 8s. 1, 2, 3. That's 24. And each person receives 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So your answer should have been 4 people are eating lunch. If your answers match ours, that is fantastic. Amazing. If you would please erase your answers while we have another student come up to the smartboard for the very next problem. Thank you. We're looking at problem 3, again into 2 parts. Anna has 15 shells. She gives 6 shells away to her sister. She wants to line up the remaining shells into 3 equal rows. How many shells will be in each row? Again, your answer is listed below. Please place a line underneath the correct answer. Part 2. 12 pairs of socks cost $36. How many pairs of socks does Amber buy if she spends a total of $108? Again, your answer is listed below. Please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's look at the first one. 15 minus 6 is 9. So, how many times is 3 going to 9? You're going to have an answer of 3. 3 shells in each row. Here you'll notice that 12 socks cost 36. 3 times 36 is 108, so 3 times 12 is 36. So, she had 36 pairs of socks. If your answers match ours, that is outstanding. Remarkable. If you would please, erase your answer and have another student come up to the smartboard for the very last problem. Thank you. Here we are at the last problem, problem 4, broken down into 2 parts. Let's look at the first one. Peggy is making breakfast for her family using the toaster below. She is preparing 20 pieces of toast. If she fills the toaster using all 20 pieces of toast for the whole family, how many people are in Peggy's family? Look carefully at the toaster. You'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 areas where you can place your toast. Let's look at the second part. Megan sells orange juice by using the oranges she picks from her orchard on her property. If Megan uses 18 oranges to make 3 bottles of orange juice, how many oranges would it take to make 1 bottle of orange juice? Your answer is listed below. Please pick up a pen to solve these 2 problems. Let's look at the toaster here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for toast. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So there's 5 people in Peggy's family. Megan, let's look at this problem. 18 oranges to make 3 bottles of orange juice. So simply divide 3 into 18. To make 1 bottle, it would require 6. If your answers match ours, that is wonderful. Dazzling. If you would please erase the board, and we want to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.